it's Annette and welcome back to Cotto Verde. Today I thought I'd give you an update on the tulip pots that we covered in yoghurt in order to age them, and this is how they're looking. This is just one of the 10. So back in September we bought some brand new pots from the garden centre and they were all sort of shiny orange and not the most attractive, and I knew that if we painted them with yoghurt and scrubbed some moss all over them and left them in a damp place that they would age. And so that's what we did in a previous video which you can find on my channel, and this is how they look 6 months later. So after we'd aged them for about a month, we planted them all up with tulips, and the tulips are growing. So we did have some wire caging on them, but as the tulips sort of get to this height, they're about, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 inches, I take the wire mesh off. It's just like chicken wire, and I take it off just so that none of them get caught in the chicken wire. But anyway, more about the aging of the pots. So I'm hoping that it's going to focus on the pot and not me. But I just want you to see sort of the variation in colours that we get and how they're looking. So we did make one mistake when we painted them with yoghurt, and that is we tipped them all upside down and covered them with yoghurt, and I'm not quite sure why we did that, because what's happened is the top of them, I don't know if you can see, it's still bright orange, sort of the terracotta colour, and inside also we should have painted this bit inside because that's also bright orange. It's probably not going to be a problem this year, because I think when the tulips leaf out and, you know, tulip leaves sort of spill over a bit, it's going to disguise it, so it's not going to be awful. But I think when the tulips have done their thing and when I take them out of these pots, I'm then going to cover the rims and the inside of the pots with some more yoghurt just to help in the aging process, because I don't like this look. It's not the most attractive. I just think that sort of ruins the look a bit. So that's a lesson to be learned. Don't tip them upside down. I'm not sure why we did that. I think it's because it was raining or something. Anyway, the other thing that I would say is that on some of the pots you can see, okay, so this area here, I'm hoping it's going to focus on the pot. This area here, you can see some of the brush marks. It doesn't bother me too much, to be honest, but I just wanted you to be aware of that if you're not super careful, you will get some brush marks. Now this, it doesn't really come off if you rub it, but I can see that we've caught these pots in some places. Maybe they've rubbed up against each other and tiny little bits of this have come off. So if you look at them really closely, you can probably see that. But from afar, I think they look fabulous, and they will look even more fabulous when the orange rim is covered. Anyway, that is my super speedy, quick catch up with the tulip pots. I hope you found this interesting and useful. If you've liked this video and you want to see more, then do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Hi everyone! Always a plane in the sky. Why? Just go away.